Well, we are going to look at some examples. This side we are going to put for kinetic energy, and this side we put for potential energy. Now, question 1 says a body of mass 3 kilograms. We are going to start with those ones of kinetic energy. Question 1 says a body of mass 3 kilograms moves with a speed of 30 meters per second. Of course, we all know that they are going to be asking you these questions in scenario format and mixing up competencies. So for us, we are just doing a direct teaching in our videos. V is equal to 30 meters per second. Find the kinetic energy. Find the kinetic energy. This is question 1. So the kinetic energy is given by a half mv squared. This is going to be a half times the mass. Make sure your mass is in kilograms. It is already in kilograms for the question. Times the square of the velocity. So when we place our calculator, we are going to get 1350 joules. Let's look at question 2. A body or an object of volume. So this object has a volume of 100 cubic centimeters. It has a density of 8 grams per cubic centimeters. Moves with a speed of 10 meters per second. Find its kinetic energy. So these units are given in grams per centimeters cube. These are in centimeters cube. So we can first find the mass. We know that from density is equal to mass over volume. So the density is 80 grams per cubic centimeters. The mass is what we are looking for, and the volume. Now, why are we finding the mass? Because to find the kinetic energy, we are going to need the mass. To find kinetic energy, we need the mass. That's why we are first finding the mass using volume and density. So here we can cross multiply, and our mass becomes 8 times 100. This gives us 800, but grams, because you computed these in their units. So we can convert these ones into kilograms by dividing by 1000. Please show this conversion. Some of you don't show this conversion here. So the kinetic energy will equal to a half mv squared. It's a half times 0.8 times the velocity squared. And this one gives you 40 joules. So when we are doing these questions on the board, you can also as well get a calculator, pause the video and keep trying out with us so that you follow. Now let's look at scenarios of potential energy. The potential energy of an object, PE, I'm summarizing it as PE, of an object of mass 350 grams. So we can convert this mass into kilograms. We have already done this. This gives you 0.35 kgs. When it is 10 meters above the ground. Remember, I was holding the ball above the ground. It implies that it was having some potential energy because of its position in the gravitational field. So if it is 10 meters, what does that imply? The height is 10 meters. And remember, we said that the potential energy increases with increasing the height. And we said that potential energy is given by the mass times the acceleration due to gravity times the height. So the mass is 0.35 times the g, which is 10 for now, Senior 2, we assume acceleration due to gravity is at 10 times the 10, which is the height. This gives us 35 joules. This is energy. So the SI unit is joules. This has been question 1. Let's look at question 2. 5 kilogram mass falls from a height. We can do some simple sketch. Even in all those questions, you were allowed to do some simple sketches. It falls from a height which is 20 meters and the mass is 5 kilograms. Calculate the potential energy lost. So the next video we are going to talk about potential energy lost, kinetic energy gain. But for now, the potential energy lost as it falls through this height is equal to mg times the height it falls through. So the mass is 5 kgs, the g is 10, and the height is 20. This gives us 1000 joules. Thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe. You can comment other scenarios where we experience potential energy. You can also comment in the comment section there where scenarios of kinetic energy, bodies possessing kinetic energy. You can subscribe, like, share to your colleagues, refer the channel so that we all understand physics together. Young doctors, young engineers, the country needs you. So